So we are out in the country, province of Carot. Or, wait, Carot, is that a barangay, right?
Yeah, barangay Carot.
Barangay Carot and Anda, Pangasinan. So yeah, we are out here, folks. We are out in the middle of nowhere. Some will insist that this is the only way to live in the Philippines, and you know, sometimes I must agree.
Yeah.
Because it is quiet out here. Simple life. I always wanted to check this area out. And we finally had a good enough reason to come out here. Somebody's birthday, so Eden's cousin. So this is like, I think Carot. I think this is the north end of the island or the east side? I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at the map. I'm sorry. I really don't know. Carot, C-A-R. Kind of like the vegetable carrot on the Pangasinan. So it's absolutely gorgeous out here. Huh? Okay, so we're staying over in Tondo Beach, which is I think straight out that way. I don't know.
There.
Over there.
And then that is the island.
Ah, okay. Yeah, so we're over in that area. We're staying there for a few nights. And this is kind of like a fishing village. So that's the main source of income and commerce over here is fishing. So as you can see, just a ton of boats. Oh, I bet. Yeah, high tide, water comes right through here. So this is real. This is real province. This is the definition of provincial life in the Philippines. Some parts of me say yes, I would love it out here. Other parts of me say no, just because I'm a little spoiled, I guess. And I don't know if I would survive out here. I might actually love it out here. Who knows? But it's a close-knit community, so I'm sure if you're not originally from this area, you know, I'm not sure how welcoming the locals are here. They seem very, very nice. But, you know, this is their territory. I mean, I'm sure the properties and the households get handed down from generation to generation. And
there are kubo here.
Kubos in here. So yeah, as an outsider, I don't know how welcoming they are if you wanted to come here on a permanent basis. But as a visitor, yeah, you're welcome with open arms here. People are very nice, as far as I can tell. So yeah, we're right on the waterline here, right on the shoreline. Kubos everywhere. Good amount of coral underneath my feet down here. Better watch where I'm walking. I just felt a piece of coral poke my big toe. I was like, oop. Yeah. Oh, sorry stars. There's no shortage of sorry stars. Anywhere you go. Everywhere you go. So. Is she going to the bathroom yet? So yeah, I'm sure we could just keep walking and walking and walking down this road.
I think it's the island that we are going. It's supposed to be.
Okay. Fish. So I'm sure at nighttime these fishermen hop in their boats and go out for the evening. I would imagine. I know last night I was sitting again. I know last night I was, gosh, she's really going a lot. Last night I was sitting by the water, and I couldn't see them, but I sure could hear the boats out there buzzing back in from wherever they were at fishing. So I'm thinking they probably head out in the nighttime. I would imagine they probably head out at night and stay out all night and fish. I know the seafood that we're cooking up right now, that's all very fresh. That just came in from the water. Yeah, interesting place.
Go to the other side.
Sure. Gorgeous day out.
No, baby. No, she's pregnant. No.
Jam, come on. She's starting with the pregnant puppy. Go on, go on.
Like Ryan says.
Yeah. Right on the water. That would be kind of scary. But I guess these houses have been here and lasted long enough. If the water was that threatening, these houses would already be gone. Pretty cool. So yeah, we're just walking down like this frontage road, I guess you could call it. A frontage dirt road, because this runs parallel to the shoreline. Yeah, it just keeps going and going and going on both sides, and just nothing but boats and kubos and I don't know what you call these, bamboo docks. Yeah, pretty interesting. Anyways, I could keep going and going and going. We have other things to do, so we'll probably call this one quick. I just wanted to give you a quick peek at what this place looks like, because this is all new to me. I've never been out here before, ever. This is my first time. So, figured I'd share it with you. Why not? So, anyways, that's it. Signing off for now. From Carot Island, Pangasinan, Philippines. So we're going to continue on with our day, and I hope you enjoyed this short video, and we'll catch up with you again soon. Thanks a lot, guys. Take it easy. Bye-bye.